This MSNBC report failed to say why they didn't put this issue on the front burner 20 years ago when scientists first started warning about it.
A global warning on global warming. It is really happening, and it's really people who are changing the climate on this planet. That's what an international group of experts is saying in a new UN report. Thomas Mao is a science and medical writer for the LA Times. Tom, great to talk to you today.
Good morning, Contessa.
Can you describe some of the changes that this report says we're likely to see worldwide because of global warming?
Well, there's a broad variety of things. It's going to be warmer everywhere. That means hotter days in the summer, not so cold in the winter. The snowpack is going to be receding across North America. The Southwest is going to be dry. There's going to be even less rain than there is now. The Northeast is going to have more rain, paradoxically, along with the eastern coast of South America. Argentina, because of the mountains, is going to get a lot of rain. The ocean level is going to rise. That means that some of the very low-lying island nations like Kiribati, the Maldives, some of the islands in Indonesia are going to be inundated because they're simply only a foot or two above sea level.
I know that I know a lot of the people are saying all of this is a real wake-up call, loud and clear for worldwide action. And we saw the president mention in his State of the Union address climate change and global warming. But at this point, the Energy Secretary, Samuel Bodman, says, oh, you know, America is just a small contributor to climate change. Can the world affect climate change without the U.S. participation?
Well, we're a small contributor. 5%. We're 5% of the world's population, and we put out 25% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions. I'm not quite sure how you would consider that being a small contributor. So if the rest of the world invokes restrictions, it's not going to do too much good unless we get on the boat as well.
Thomas Mao, thank you for your time today. You've seen the devastation from those deadly storms that swept through parts of Florida. We're going to hear from one woman who has a tale of horror and sadness, and she's remembering the storm that's changed her life forever.